Imagine a future where pollution, oil spills, and toxic waste are tackled not by machines, but by living, engineered organisms. In the 22nd century, programmable biofilms are set to become the ultimate eco-warriors. These are communities of bacteria or other microbes genetically engineered to perform specific tasks. Scientists design these biofilms to sense pollutants, break them down, and even convert them into harmless or useful substances. Picture rivers once choked by industrial runoff, now teeming with life, thanks to biofilms that consume heavy metals and neutralize toxins. Programmable biofilms can be applied to contaminated soil, water, and even air filtration systems, working tirelessly and self-replicating where needed. Their ability to adapt and evolve means they can handle new types of pollution as industries change. Unlike traditional cleanup methods, these living films require minimal energy and maintenance. As our world faces mounting environmental challenges, programmable biofilms offer a glimpse of a cleaner, healthier future, where nature and technology work hand in hand to heal the planet.